You may notice in the task manager there is this feeds executable, and if you kill it, right click and end task is going to restart. There is also, when you just hover over the taskbar, so just bring on the taskbar, right click anywhere on the taskbar, right button on the mouse. News and interests, you will probably see it like this. Don't just turn it off. First, make sure you uncheck open on hover, open on hover. Make sure you uncheck this one first. So don't just turn it off. Uncheck this one first and go back again. And this one it's unchecked now. Now turn it off here. So if you look again, it's off here, but it's also unchecked there. Right now go back and kill the feeds. Right button on the mouse and task. And it should not start again from this moment on. You may want to reboot the computer, but mine didn't start once I kill it like this without rebooting.